Welcome back to another Lumino product tutorial. Today we're going to be creating a new connector within the Lumino dashboard. Within Lumino, you'll want to get started navigating to the left pane and clicking Connectors in the Design Studio dropdown. Here is where you'll access the connector library. To get started, simply click Create Connector and scroll through the library to toggle on the systems you're wanting to connect. You'll then be prompted to select a system from our list of integration systems. Scroll to the bottom of the list of systems and select Other from the Generic Connectors menu. Generic connectors are your go-to for connectors that can be used across multiple systems in your stack. Enter in your connector alias, time zone, API URL, and any other information, then select Create Connector. You have now successfully created a new connector with Lumino. Happy integrating!